Hello everybody, my name is Shweihninzy and I used to suffer from acne. Thank you guys so much for the new intro suggestions. I guess I'll stick with that right now. So it's me, Shweihninzy. What's up? Today I have some exciting things to be testing out for you guys. The famous P.Louise base. I got mine on Morphe.com actually, and since they just started carrying P.Louise stuff, and I got the color 0.5. It's been all over YouTube. Here is the container. And to go with it, I got the Mirror. Oh, I got some crap on it. The P.Louise Mirror brush set. So it says Mirror, and then it has like this little story on the wall. Who's causing trouble most of all? It's got this little story here, like I said, the mirror on the front, and then it comes with these 3 brushes. I'm excited to test these brushes to see if it's worth the hype to use these. And this thing is actually pretty heavy, so I'm going to leave this on display because it's really, really cute. I keep saying so a lot. I apologize. Let's get into it. I think I'm going to start with the base because, yeah. I think that'll be easier in case I make a little bit of a mess with my eyeshadow. But this is a base and primer all in one. I'm excited to try this out because you guys know I use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and then I put concealer on top and then I set it. So this should be a one-stop shop to test out all of that stuff. And I'll be using the Daisy Marquez palette by BH Cosmetics. I thought this was so cute. My boyfriend got this for me. So it comes with a little mirror and then you can put it like this. Oops. So when you're traveling, it's like a little mini vanity, and I thought that was adorable. I've been eyeing this for a long time and it finally came on Ulta's website because I love getting everything on Ulta because their point system is amazing. So there's 3 brushes in this set. There is a tiny one, medium, and then a big daddy right here. And there aren't any names on the brushes. It's just pink, white, and black. So let's put this on. It says to warm it up on the back of your hand a little bit. This looks, oh, this might be really, really pale. So it's creamy and thick. I'll go in with the baby one here. Ooh, it's definitely a thicker product. But I've really been getting into doing more like cut crease type of looks, more intense looks. So let's try this out. And you guys know my eyelids are crazy oily. I mean, you can see they're already oily. Looks like it's clinging to the dryness a little bit. I'm a little bit dry near my eyebrows. I feel so weird not setting it at all. And I've heard this is a little bit sticky. Oh wow, that actually like set, which is really odd. Normally like concealers don't set on me. But I ended up using everything that was on the back of my hand. So I'm going in with a little bit more on this side. Alright, I've got the base on my eyelids and it doesn't, I've heard that it feels like tacky. This doesn't feel too tacky on my eyelids at all, and it doesn't seem to be creasing, because if I had a straight up concealer on my eyelids, it would be creasing like crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually mess around with some eyeshadow and I'll give you guys my first impression here in just a sec. And this is when I realized my microphone was not on. Well, I didn't realize my microphone was not on, but here I am just patting the base on, and I'm putting this light blue color in the crease, and as you guys can see, like you can still see like my veining and everything underneath, and I felt like the color wasn't going on as pigmented as it could have been. So I'm just blending this in the crease. And then I'm taking this yellow color and putting that near my brow bone, kind of giving a pop of yellow. My microphone was not on that whole time. So I'm gonna have to do a voiceover or something. I'm gonna go in with the color Dream. Definitely makes the shimmers pop a lot more. And then I'm gonna go in with a Sigma E39 and the color Cocoa. This is gonna go on the outside here. Alright, there's the eyeshadow. Again, I was saying earlier, like, this isn't the best look that I've ever come up with at all, but if you guys can see, I don't know. I don't think it's the eyeshadow because I've used this eyeshadow before, but everything just looks kind of muddy to me. And again, I don't know if this is just because of the oils that are already on my eyelids or what, but I just don't feel like this is a solid base to put eyeshadow on top of. So again, this is not my final review because I definitely need to play around with this more. That was more of a first impression. So I stopped recording because I'm having a really, really bad anxiety attack right now. This video is not going at all how I expected it to or planned to or anything, and it's making me really anxious, and I'm not happy about it at all. I haven't filmed a video in a hot second and I feel a little awkward, so bear with me. But I actually filmed a video kind of testing out the P.Louise base, if you guys know all about that. The famous P.Louise base. So I had a bit of a mishap with that, and then I ended up getting sick and getting a horrible migraine and getting sick for like an entire day. It was terrible. The migraine was that bad. I've had a headache every day since, and we are here. It's like a week later and I'm finally feeling back to my normal self. I'm going to be testing out the P.Louise base again because I didn't quite like how it worked when I tried it the first time. I tried it on my own a second time, and holy guacamole, the pigmentation of the eyeshadow was like too much. So I gotta keep playing with this base. Gotta keep playing with it. So I've got this, and I've got another UK thing to try, another British palette. It's the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette from Beauty Bay. I am so excited. I picked this up. I kept looking at it and I was like, I don't need it. Oh, I needed it. Here is the packaging. Everybody's like, oh my gosh, the packaging is so cool. It is really cool. It's very reflective. It's very thick. Like, this is a book. You could straight up smack someone on the head and you'd be good to go if you was getting attacked or something like that. It comes with two sides. So we've got the warm natural side on this side, and then we've got a mirror, a double-sided mirror, and then we've got the cool tone fun side. And my eyeshadow up here was broken. It was super bubble wrapped and super like safe, and this is actually sealed in there, so this all broke underneath the eyeshadow seal. So I'm really sad about that, but we'll fix it. It's okay. But otherwise everything else came intact. How beautiful is this? And like I said, these are sealed, like sticker sealed. This isn't just like a floppy thing. So let's take it off together. But here, can you hear? So satisfying. And I'm a little worried about the other side, so I'm going to do that here, just so the eyeshadow doesn't fall all over the place. No! Can you see this one right here? I'm going to keep this down, but I love that it comes with a removable double-sided mirror. I thought one would be magnetized and the other side wouldn't be. That would have been a genius idea. Just saying. That would have been really cool. But It's just two normal mirrors. And then I also got the Mitchell Sparkly Eyeliner Topper. I opened this up already and it is gorgeous. It's super pretty. Here is what it looks like. This is a really pretty, like, gold, silver. I think it's more silver. Can you see that there? This is in the color Metal. So I'll be incorporating that as well. But like I said, I really want to test out this P.Louise base again. I got mine in the color 0.5, which I believe is too light for me. But I'm still trying to figure out the best way to use it. I'm going to go ahead and start with the P.Louise base. And I think it's the best to put it on with your finger. My eyelids are really oily. Oh, and I'm going to put an eyeshadow primer on beforehand because the first time I used it, I did not. And I think it's better with a primer underneath, at least for me anyway. Sorry if I don't seem like 100% myself. Like I said, I'm still kind of like feeling crappy. And when I was watching them do their makeup, like, this might be a little big. You might see this in the way. I'm not too sure. But they are putting like a lot on and they kind of just tap it. They don't really like blend it all the way. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure this out. And like I said, I think this is way too light for me. Yeah, I look really ridiculous right now. Don't judge me. I'm gonna put a little tape. I've really been liking doing my eyeshadow this way. Make sure to put it on the back of your hand. And even though I put it on the back of my hand, people are still like, you're not. It's too sticky for your eye. No! All the eyeshadow just fell out. See? I'm gonna have to fix that. See, I'm gonna go in with the color Modest on an E40 first. Now I'm gonna go in with a E25 and I'm gonna go in with the color Meh, M-E-H. This color is like speaking to me. It's such a beautiful, like, cool tone brown. I'm gonna go in with the color Main with the same brush. I think I'll just flip it over like that. Oh, that's dark. Be a little too dark. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the P.Louise brushes. I got the brushes here, so I'm gonna kind of cut the crease. Oh, that was loud, sorry. I'm gonna cut the crease with the smallest brush. Let's pick a lid color. Marine's kind of fun. Oh, whoa. That's not really going on the lid. Maybe that's the wrong kind of brush. Let's try the color Minty. Ooh! Minty's a duochrome green. Since there is green in there, maybe I'll go in with a little bit of green. Maybe like a really tiny brush, like the small tapered blending E45 from Sigma. And I'm going with the color Marty. What an interesting look. Let's take the tape off. Aww. Definitely fall vibes, for sure. I don't have anything new to try on my face. So I think I'm going to do my face stuff off of camera. And I'll be right back. There's a really loud lawnmower outside. I wanted to film because I'm having a horrible anxiety attack right now. Wow. It's really, really bad. Keep trying to get ready and just like focus on getting ready and trying to get my mind off of things but it's really hard. I'm feeling really, really anxious right now. I just feel like this makeup look isn't good. Everything's turning out bad and it triggers me way more than it should. And I hate using the word trigger, but that's the only way I can really describe like what's going on. I'm just like so stressed. And I've got a lot going on right now. I just feel really bad right now. I do not feel good. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I kind of just wanted to talk to you guys about that right now. Because I do not feel great. And this lawnmower outside is really loud. I want to cry. Anxiety attacks and panic attacks are two completely different things, so people who say they're the same thing, I don't know what y'all are talking about. Oh, I just have a lot on my mind right now because I recently I think I disclosed this in one of my videos. I recently got a new diagnosis, and it's just been a lot to figure out, but now I know why I am the way I am, but it's still just like really overwhelming. But let's go in with the eyeshadow underneath my eyes here. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna die. Let's take a brush. Try to get my light after this. I'm using a BH number 7. It's my Ray Ray brush. Whew, I'm like texting my boyfriend and I'm like, I'm dying. What is going on? Okay. Whew, it's okay. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of Marty. Just like that. Whew. My temperature like changes when I'm going through this. Ooh, okay. Okay. I'm trying to get out of it. Okay. Going in with metal here. Ooh, it's so pretty. I don't know if I should put this like on top of my eyeliner. I want that. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. You can see. I'm not trying to put it on the black. I'm trying to put like on top of the black, not on the black. And then on my lips, I'm gonna put Sigma's liquid lipstick in New Mod on my lips. And there is the completed fall look. What do you guys think? I'm sorry this video was kind of all over the place. I apologize, and I'm sorry I had an anxiety attack during filming because I'm just really upset at myself, but I need to not get upset. I'm just gonna let this be. It's all right. It's okay. We'll come back stronger next time. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and have an amazing day. Bye!